What are you doing? Just hanging out? You knocked that pillow over. Where are the rest of your friends? Hey, quit knocking the pillows over. You can't eat those lights. A monkey walks into a bar. You want some water? You can turn it on. Hey, that's not yours. Put that down. Hey, thief! You're stealing our towel. Oh, bad boy. Look, there's the babies. Little tiny baby one. Haha.